Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today is our Leetcode daily challenge, problem number 2966. Divide array into arrays with maximum difference. So we'll check out the problem statement, then we'll look at in the approach which you're going to use, and towards the end we'll see the code as well. So starting with the problem statement, it is given that we will get a array of integers nums of size n and a positive integer k. Okay, divide the array into one or more arrays of size 3. Okay, so they have given us the size, so we want at least 3 elements in each sub array, satisfying the following condition: each element of num should be exactly in one array. So there definitely should be an array sub array. uh, okay, so let's think it the other way around. So each element should always be in one or the other sub array. Okay, and it cannot be used twice. The difference between any two elements in one array is less than or equal to k. So the difference between any two elements of the sub array should be less than or equal to k. Okay, and we have to return a 2D array containing all the arrays. If it is possible to satisfy the condition, return an empty array. If there are multiple answers, return any of them. Okay, got it. So for example, in this case, 1 3 4 8 7 9 3 5 1, these were the numbers and k is given 2. They have prepared 3 subarrays which satisfies the given condition. So let's check out the approach which we can use to solve this one. Okay, coming to the approach, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just follow 3-step approach to solve this question. So we will first start with sorting the array. Okay, and what we will do, we will take the nums array given to us and we will sort it. For example, this is the exact example I have picked up from the question, and when we sort this we will get 1 1 3 3, like so on and so forth. Okay, next my task is to divide them into sub arrays. Okay, if you remember this condition, each element of num should be in exactly one array. Okay, and what was the like the other condition? The difference between any two elements in one array is less than or equal to k. So to check this, what we can do, we can pick the first element, sorry, and the last element of the subarray, and we do the subtraction of it, and we can check if it is less than or equal to k or not. If it is greater than k, then we can just simply return an empty array. Okay, and to form these sub arrays, I'll write the simple code for that as well. And what we will be doing is, we will just take like we will start from 0, then we'll have 0 to 2, then we'll move to the next window itself. So yeah, think of it as a as using a window. Okay, so there is a window from 0 to 2 which will have 3 elements, then 3 to 5, and so on so forth. Okay, so what we can do, we can run a for loop with step equals to 3. Okay, and we'll do this check at each pair. Okay, so let's check out the code which which we'll be using to solve this question. So this is a simple code. What we are doing in this, we are first sorting the array which we have received. Okay, so we'll get a sorted array after this line, and we have initialized a empty array in which we will be storing the answers. Now what we are doing, we are running a loop from 0 to length of nums, and as we talked in the explanation, we will be taking the step as 3 because we want subarrays of length 3, right? And after that we are checking if the difference between the first and the last element of the array, if it is greater than k, we need not to check anything and we can simply return empty array, because one of the condition says that each element of num should be in exactly one array. Okay, and if this condition is not getting satisfied, then of course we will have to return a empty array. And if it satisfies this, like if the difference between first and the last element of array sub array is less than k, then we will add that into the answer array which we will be sending back, and at the end we are returning the answer array. Okay, let's check out the test cases. So as you can see, the test cases got clear. Let's submit it for further evaluation. And the solution got accepted, and as you can see, we have performed fairly well. We have outperformed around 91.53% of the submitted solutions on runtime and 98.12 on the memory side. So thanks again guys for watching other videos. Stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.